Hey, what's up, my saints and sinners? It's Demon Ascended here again, back to another Pokemon card opening short. Today I'm opening up another one of the Astral Radiance Pokemon card pack. 2 more to get through, and then we can get to the Lost Origins. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3. We got Hisuian Electrode, Gardenia's Vigor. I can't actually pronounce that word. Temple of Sinnoh, Hoot Hoot, Pawniard, Puccina, Drifloon, Yanma, Bastiodon, and Ursaluna, an electric energy card. I'll see you guys tomorrow.